Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Everest handbrake. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on jack stands. This is crucial for your safety. Next, you'll need to remove both rear wheels to get clear access to the brake components. Finally, locate the handbrake cable equalizer, which is typically found underneath the vehicle, near the rear axle. This is where the main adjustment takes place. Now, let's get to the adjustment itself. Begin by loosening the lock nut on the handbrake cable equalizer. Then, carefully tighten the adjusting nut. You'll want to do this until the handbrake lever inside the cabin feels firm, usually engaging within 3 to 5 clicks. It's important to check that both rear wheels can still rotate freely without any brake drag. This ensures proper operation and prevents premature wear. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and guides. On another note, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, whether you're under the hood or relaxing. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you've achieved the desired tension, securely retighten the lock nut on the equalizer. This prevents the adjustment from coming undone over time. Next, reinstall both rear wheels and carefully lower your Ford Everest back to the ground. Finally, perform a thorough test of the handbrake, ideally on a slight incline, to confirm it holds the vehicle firmly. This ensures your adjustment is effective and safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.